start how to put a perfect cappuccino. So let's start. First of all, you have to remove the group handle and perch it, and you have to wipe the group handle like this. You have to wipe the group handle and take the coffee, grind coffee, and you have to tamp it. Like this here, and we have purged it already, and put it in the group handle and press with the cup. And by the way, you need to steam the milk. You need to take this much amount of milk like this and purge the steam one and steam the milk. And keep the hand like this when you can't hold the jug. You have to stop the steam one and clean the steam one. It's definitely compulsory. And tap like this, give a turn, swirl like this, and take the espresso we get and give a mix to, and you have to pour the excess milk to the small jug and keep the amount of milk here in and pour like this, and just try to take the art like, and the normally the cappuccino it's coming as 2 centimeter form, and the latte is coming at 1 centimeter. Let's in the next video I will show the how to put the latte and with the 1 centimeter. Here the with the 2 centimeter form. If you would like to have some chocolate powder, you can put some chocolate powder and serve your guest.